Assalamualaikum guys, this is Nida Sheikh here. So I'm again same day with the second vlog of Grace Network, and today here I'm again at the same place in Mumbai Central, which is Creamy Heavens Mumbai Central. And the people who crave, जो बहुत ज़्यादा crave करते हैं best ice cream natural flavors, हमेशा people prefer कि natural मिले, अच्छा मिले. So this is the one of the best place in town side. And before starting the vlog, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, before starting the vlog, let's sanitize ourselves, and safety precaution is the first. So guys, as I have shown you in the pictures, there were fruit shots, thick milkshakes, and now we're gonna try that. So guys, they're having a wide varieties. As you can see, it's a kiwi flavor, and the best one, the upselling one, is the jamun one. Iske benefits, you can see this is the jamun flavor, and they have a good jamuni color. It's pure jamun. We will sure gonna try this, but so guys, I have tried this jamun flavor. ये बहुत as जैसे मैंने बताया, ये 98% प्योर जामुन पल्प से है, तो उसमें ज़रा सी भी मुझे ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि इट कंटेन्स विद कलर वाला या कुछ वैसा टेस्ट मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं है. इट्स प्योर जामुन एंड थोड़ा सा टैंगी सा टेस्ट है. टेस्ट वाइज इट्स 100 on 100, बहुत अच्छा है. And I would highly recommend this one because it's very good, and color, so you can just see it's so nice in color also, even in the taste. So for sure when you come here guys, do try this, and this is just for 60 bucks. Yes, you have heard it right, ये सिर्फ for 60 rupees का है. So guys, here they have wide amazing varieties of ice creams, kulfis, and they have चौपाटी कुल्फी also. चौपाटी आजकल बंद है, तो जो लोग चौपाटी की कुल्फी को क्रेव करते हैं, सो 100% फॉर श्योर आप यहाँ पर आओ. वैसी सेम कुल्फीज आपको मिलेगी, एंड उनके पास बहुत अच्छे ओरियो, किटकैट, इतने अच्छे उसके क्रस्ट में कोटेड किए हुए कुल्फीज है. यू कैन जस्ट सी उनके पास ये सारे फ्लेवर्स है. देयर आर खजूर, अखरोट, काजू अंजीर, बादाम, पिस्ता, फ्रेश गुआवा, और इनके जो भी फ्रेश आइसक्रीम्स है वो फ्रेशली मेड विद प्योर फ्रूट्स के साथ में है. पान मसाला है, ब्लैक करंट है, एंड दिस वन विच आई हैव टुक इज किटकैट कैडबरी रोल. एज यू कैन सी मैंने किटकैट फ्लेवर लिया था, एंड दिस इज जस्ट फॉर 150 रुपीज़. ये पूरी किटकैट में कोट की हुई है. एज आई कैन फील इट, ये इतनी क्रंची एंड इट इज़ वेरी थिक टू. ये पे जैसे मैंने देखा कि मैंने बहुत अमेजिंग फ्लेवर्स, बहुत अमेजिंग सब कुछ मैंने एक्सप्लोर किया है. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे किटकैट है, डेयरी मिल्क है, उसमें किटकैट और डेयरी मिल्क के चंक्स है. ये फ्रेश मस्कमेलन फ्लेवर है. सो गाइज, आपने पॉपकॉर्न थिएटर्स में खाया होगा या घर पे मूवीज देख के आपने पॉपकॉर्न खाया होगा, एंड नॉर्मली ऐसे रोड साइड से आपने खरीद के पॉपकॉर्न खाया होगा. पॉपकॉर्न में आपने कैरेमलाइज खाया होगा, पेरी पेरी खाया होगा, बट कभी आपने पॉपकॉर्न आइसक्रीम खाई है? सो नाउ लेट्स टेस्ट दिस. सो गाइस, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है नॉट हैविंग आइसक्रीम, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने पॉपकॉर्न को फ्रीजर में कोट करके पॉपकॉर्न खा रही हूँ. इट्स टोटली 100% लाइक आई एम हैविंग पॉपकॉर्न. इट्स अ स्मोकी फ्लेवर ऑफ पॉपकॉर्न. इतना अच्छा और इतना वेल टेस्ट है, कहीं नहीं मिला होगा. I was trying for the first time even the popcorn flavor. You should too. As आपको ये प्लेट देख के अंदाजा तो लग ही गया होगा कि next what I am trying, and this is all for the brownie lovers. So let's taste. So guys, the aroma which I am getting from this sizzler, which is heating for the sizzler, and the aroma is so good. अभी से मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है because I am a die-hard lover of sizzlers, and इतना अच्छा smoky flavor आ रहा है. And अभी then she'll put the brownies and then some cashew into it, and अभी वो धीरे धीरे पता चल जाएगा. अभी सब बता दूंगी तो कैसे चलेगा. So guys, as you can see, मेरा सिजलर तैयार हो रहा है. मेरा जो सिजलर प्लेट था वो गरम हो चुका है, and as you can see उसमें से कितना अच्छा स्मोक निकला है. और अभी मेरी ब्राउनीज रखी गई है, you can see, and then ये वैनिला आइसक्रीम टॉपिंग्स पे आया. And then now she's adding some chocolate sauce. Oh wow, as you can see, it's so amazing. Wow, it looks so yummy, so mouth melting. Wow, and itna acha flavor. And now she's adding some cashew nuts into it. And here's my sizzler is ready. So guys, now my chocolate sizzler is ready, and I'll just taste this. Amazing guys, amazing. And can you just imagine the price? कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना कि कितने का होगा और आपने कितने का खाया होगा, या आप लोगों को कितने लोगों ने काटा होगा बहुत सारे पैसों से. बट यहाँ पे आपको कोई लूटने वाला नहीं है. यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग दिस इन 120 bucks. दैट्स ऑल. वो भी इतना अच्छा. एंड दिस इज सो फ्रेश. whenever you will have any fresh thing, तुम्हें when you just have a bite, तुम्हें तभी पता चल जाएगा that you are having something fresh, and it's so good. Highly recommended for all the sizzlers and for the weekends who जिसको पार्टी करने लगता है, जिसे रात में पार्टी करनी होती है, जिन्हें क्रेविंग्स होते हैं. और सिजलर ऐसे ज़रूरी कहीं मिलता नहीं है रात में, बट आपको यहाँ पे ज़रूर मिलेगा. So just give a try. So guys, this is basically a guava lover. जो भी guava lovers है, ये उनके लिए है. जैसे आप रोड साइड या कहीं भी guava खरीदते हो तो आपको उसमें मसाला थोड़ा चाहिए रहता है फॉर ऐसा चटपटा लगने के लिए. वैसे सेम हमारी guava आइसक्रीम में आप देख सकते हो कि हमारी guava आइसक्रीम में वो पिंच ऑफ मसाला डाल रहे हैं ताकि वो थोड़ा उसका टेस्ट और ब्लेंड थोड़ा चटपटा सा आए, तो वो स्वीट और थोड़ा टैंगी लगे. सो नाउ लेट्स टेस्ट दिस. So guys, this is my guava ice cream and I'm just having a taste. Masala is there. Guys, amazing. The ice cream and the masala is the hidden recipe of them. वो जो मसाला है ये उनके यहीं पर ही बनता है, ये उनकी हिडन रेसिपी है. लाइक आपको वो प्रॉपर टेस्ट जो गुआवा में आता है वैसी सेम आएगा. यू वोंट फील लाइक यू आर हैविंग आइसक्रीम. आपको ऐसा लगेगा आप ठंडा गुआवा खा रहे हो. ट्रस्ट मी. Okay, so today I was here in Creamy Heaven, as you know. So the owner was here, Mr. Shoaib, with me, and it was my pleasure meeting him. He's such a gentleman guy, polite and so good. He has suggested me all his upselling items, the most good ingredients and the good ice cream which he is having. So it was very lovely meeting him.
Thank you so much. We'll actually go towards one of our products, which is Faluda, which is quite an USP that we are having. So maybe we could just focus on the making of that. and then we'll move on to the next items. As I said, we focus completely on the natural products and the variety that we have, and considering the fact the kind of flavors that we consider ourselves to be quite proud of, and then also the kulfi flavors. So we'll treat you with all those flavors, and then we'll take you through each one of them. So we'll start with the Faluda first. Starting with the making of Faluda now. Okay, as we all know that Faluda starts basically with the ola, and then you have the sabza in it. Okay, so those are the basic ingredients of Faluda. Then to just top it off, we use a special rose syrup which is not available in the market. We manufacture that at our own factory. The milk which we use is completely manufactured by us, especially made for Faluda. Okay, it's not the normal pasteurized milk which we get in the market. Just to top it off, our own product, which is the ice cream. We use the dry fruits, which would be the almonds, cashews. Though it looks very simple, but then the ingredients, as I said, which are quite exclusive, it makes a lot of difference. The special rose Faluda which we have currently. So just try it out and just let us know. Just give us a good feedback. Just let us know how exciting it looks. And inshallah it will look equally exciting when you taste as well.
So guys, this is my rose Faluda which I have ordered, and as you can see, it's so mouth melting and the color is so amazing. As you can see here, there is a rose syrup into it, and as he told that there is no milk which the outside which we are getting. So now let's taste this. In taste, it's proper. The milk is so good. It's a high fat milk, but as when you're eating, it's so good in taste, and a proper blend of rose. It's so flavorful and so fresh. I do highly recommend this. Guys, now there is something interesting coming, which is winter cream Nutella sundae, which is recommended by the Creamy Heavens, the owner. So just have a look. So now the making is going to be shown from the owner itself.
What we're doing right now is we are actually starting with the sundae. We use 2 scoops, in fact 3 scoops of winter cream ice cream, which is one of the, you could say, exotic ice creams that we have. Okay, it consists of chocolate, it consists of a lot of nuts as well, and we're going to top it off with a little bit of Nutella milkshake. Okay, and then on top of that we're going to add Chocobar pad. Now the best thing about the Chocobar pad is once it actually pours onto the ice cream, you actually get a feeling that you're having a Chocobar. So you will see the change right now. As soon as it drips onto the ice cream, it gets pretty stiff and you feel like it's actually the Chocobar ice cream that you're having it. Just in a minute, it will actually get freeze and you'll feel the layer of Chocobar on top of that. And just for the topping part of it, we'll use choco chips on that. And we'll use a few sprinklers as well. And we have the winter cream sundae way.
So guys, as you can see this was recommended by the owner of the ice cream parlor, which is Creamy Heavens, and you can look, it's so eye-catching and mouth-watering. And as you can see the coating, as he told, it's a choco bar, and how it's breaking down. You can just see the layer and just taste it. Amazing. Proper taste of choco bar ice cream, what we usually have, but with a good quality and a sufficient quantity too. So guys, whenever you are here, it's highly recommended this, because the owner have recommended this to me, and if personally tell me to try this, and you can just see. And the price is just 300 rupees. You can just imagine, like, it is so good, so affordable. You'll not get it anywhere, like anywhere. This is to all my town friends who stays nearby. They are open till night for any ice cream cravings in any flavor. They have amazing wide range with that. They have amazing kulfis too. They have amazing with amazing taste. Do try it, guys.